at British Wildlife Centre. I've come to take picture for wildlife animals. I can't get anyone out because of this weather. It seems like British summer is finished and the winter has started, because since morning it's just pouring and pouring and pouring. I can't find any small or big wild animal outside. Actually, we are having a competition at our work. Let me just make it up so I can stand up clear. We are having a competition at work for photography. Every month we give a picture like food, macro, the pets, and now this time next month will be wildlife animals. So I've come out to get some pictures, but unfortunately weather is so bad I can't do anything. Why does everything goes wrong when I come out? What is this? I have really chosen a bad day. Trust me guys, it's raining and it's so wet. I mean, I couldn't even bring my camera out. And all the animals are inside. They haven't come out. Whatever was out, I have shown you. So yeah, that's it for today. Till next time, you look after yourself. Bye bye.